I started this style out on stretched hair from an old twist out, and I used the blue rods to curl the ends of my hair. This was just a style that I wanted to do because I wasn't quite ready to wash my hair, but I knew it needed to be done because it was going to be looking a little crazy for that next week. So I decided to do a twist and curl. Now, this isn't with my hair fully blown out and fully, straightened, but this is to where it is stretched out from an old twist out for about a week and a half. When you want to achieve this style, you can use any products that you have on hand. Just make sure you use a product that isn't too wet or your hair is going to revert. So one thing that I do is I make sure that I use just a little bit of product, and I mainly concentrate the product on the ends of my hair so that the curls on the ends when I put the rods on, so that they can be well defined once I take the rods off. When you are taking down a twist and curl, you just want to take your time. You don't want to move too fast, and you want to make sure you're separating your hair where it naturally separates, but sometimes that's not always the case. So just make sure the strands are together and you kind of twirl them on your fingers once you are separating to kind of control the curl and to lessen the frizz. Make sure that you give yourself plenty of time in the morning if you are taking your hair out before work, because it did take me a good 10 minutes. Plus I was recording, and yes, this was literally done before work. So make sure you give yourself enough time so that you're not rushing or anything, and that causes frizz too, because you're trying to hurry up and take the twists out, and then you have to make sure your parts aren't showing and fluff it up. So give yourself enough time in the morning to be able to complete this style. Once you have all of the twists taken out and you have separated it to your liking, you want to give your hair a good shake and just fluff it out, and the only thing I'm doing right here is fluffing my hair at the roots so that those parts aren't showing within my fro. And of course, you can't do any style without a pick, and I'm simply just fluffing the roots. That's it. I'm not taking it down the hair any more than just the roots, to just kind of give it some body and kind of give it a little more volume. One thing that I also like to do once I have it fluffed out, once I have it picked out, is I like to give my hair a good shake, and I just shake it so that the hair kind of like unclumps together and kind of falls a certain way. And at this point, you just want to style it to your liking. I really like a kind of a low side part, and this is usually first day hair. I usually do this style, but I'll put bobby pins on the side of my ear and kind of have it going over to the side. Sometimes I style it to the left, sometimes I style it to the right. It just depends on how I'm feeling and which side is my good side for that day, honestly. And you can use black bobby pins, you can use the gold, the silver, whatever color you choose. For this style, I did not do any edge control. I just kind of wanted a natural look, and that's it. Thank you all for tuning in so much. Please be sure to subscribe if you aren't already, and hit that notification bell so that you're notified every time I have an upload. Thanks, Femmes. I'll see you next time.